Hey, what's going on? This is Shubham, and in this video, I'll be discussing about what is stock market and how it works. Let's go word-wise and understand what is stock, and later we'll understand what is market. I will use some assumption as an example here to make it more interactive. Consider Shubham is a brilliant entrepreneur and want to start fruit selling business. He is confident that the business will be successful and is all enthusiastic to launch the idea into a business. As a typical businessman's problem, he also faced the same. Where would he get his money to fund his idea? He approached his family and friends to pitch the idea and raise some money. Let's assume that he pulls his own money and also convince his good friends Nehul and Vinay to invest in his business. Because Nehul and Vinay are investing in the pre-revenue stage and taking blind bet on entrepreneur, they would be called as an angel investor and Shubham is called as a promoter. Assume Shubham and his friends invested total 1000 rupees, where Shubham invested 800 rupees himself, 100 rupees invested by Nehul and 100 rupees invested by Vinay. All three agree to create 1000 shares. So value of each share is 1 rupees. They decided to allot 400 shares to Shubham, 50 shares to Vinay, 50 shares to Nehul and remaining 500 shares for future allotment. Now business starts to pick up. At the end of first 3 years of operations, the company grown to significant level. Shubham is knowledgeable about his own business and of course more confident now. He was owning 10 acres of farm now and he is planning to expand his business by buying some more farms in other cities. He thinks now he can get investor to invest in his established business for expansion. Shubham found professional investor Raj who's ready to invest 1000 rupees for 50 shares in his company. The investor who typically invests in such an early stage of business is called venture capitalist. Company's total valuation is 5000 rupees now. Here Shubham owns 400 shares, Vinay owns 50 shares, Nehul owns 50 shares, Raj, who is a venture capitalist, owns 50 shares and 450 shares are unallotted. As company grown to worth 5000 rupees, value of each share is 5 rupees. A few years pass by and company's success continues to shine on. Company decided to extend their business into packed fruit products and do the in-house manufacturing of the products. Investment requirement is more this time, so it is not possible to approach another VC for funding. Company do not want to take loan from a bank as this will eat profits as a interest, so decided to go with the companies who are ready to invest this huge amount. For example, Info-Edge company invested estimate rupees of 450 to 500 crore in Zomato. This is called private equity. Company has grown valuation of 12,000 rupees now. Private equity raised 8,000 rupees for 50 shares. Now total valuation of the company is 20,000. Value of each share is 20 rupees. 5 years after private equity investment, company has progressed really well. Company is thinking to take their products across the globe. Again, for this they need huge investment and company finds below option to raise money. Raise fund from the profits they earn over the years. Raise fund through another private equity. Apply for loan in bank. File for initial public offering and raise money through public. They can also raise money with the combination of all four. I hope you must have understood how stock comes into the picture till this point. Now let's understand what is market. When you go to market, you find multiple things at one place for selling and for buying, where buyer can buy many things at one place and seller can sell multiple things from one place. Similarly, we have two markets in India. First one is NSE and second is BSE. NSE is called as National Stock Exchange and BSE is Bombay Stock Exchange. As we know, if any irregularities happen in DMart, we can go to consumer court and file complaint. Similarly, we have SEBI in picture to regulate NSE and BSE. SEBI helps companies, investors, public while they investing in a stock market. If any frauds or any irregularities happen, they come in a picture and they act as a police there. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in next video. Till that, stay tuned. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my video.